What happens when a user hits your site on a page that no longer exists? Hopefully nothing. We want them to be pointed in the right direction. This video is going to be how to make a custom 404 page for your Elementor website. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Nathan Mins and I make tutorials on Elementor and Divi and the whole web design process, even alongside personal productivity as a freelancer. If those topics sound interesting to you, hit the subscribe button below this video and hit the bell icon right next to it so you're notified for every new post. Now, let's get into it. So this is the page on my website that I'm gonna walk through step by step on how I made. It's a very basic 404 page, but it'll show you how to really set it up within Elementor Pro. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the back end of our website. Now we're gonna go to templates and in the theme builder. And then we can see I already have a 404 page here. That's the one that we just saw, but I'm gonna add a new one so we can build it totally from scratch. So we select error 404, and then we'll just name 404.2. There are a ton of templates that Elementor has natively that you can use, but I wanted to make my own for this website. These are fine, and honestly, a lot of these are quite easy to customize, but this is how I made mine. I X'd out of this, and then let's change this a little bit. So our style, we're just going to add a gradient background here to make this dark blue with light blue. And then we'll change this to 90 degrees. Then we'll add a top and bottom padding, so it's a little bit more full. And then let's add a title right here. And I wanted to add some humor, so I said, this is awkward. And then I made it white. All I did next was add in another section. I added in the text editor, and then I wrote a little bit of copy right here. I'll just paste that in. Let's edit this section, give it a little bit more room to breathe. So 100 pixels on the top and bottom. And then we want them to be able to use the search form below because that's what I promised. So let's look for search form. We see that right here. I like the classic skin. Now let's go to style. I like the body text here along with this color. When it's focused, I like the text color to still be black. I want to add a little box shadow. So in focus, that is when a user clicks on it. So when I click on it, now we can see there's a little bit of a shadow there, sort of drawing my attention in. And then just like every other page on this site, the button, I'm going to make the background color of this the bright blue with white text, or a white icon in this case, and then dark blue with white on hover. So it looks just like that. Under advanced, we really don't need to do anything. When I go to tablet, I'll just reduce this spacing a bit so that this is 80, and then on mobile, we'll make this 60, and then we're all set. We can hit publish right here. And then we'll just change this to include all of the 404 pages. And then hit save and close. Mine's red here, of course, because I already have a 404 page and I'm just remaking this one. But yours won't be red. You'll hit save and close, and then to test it out, you can go to your URL and then just type in random letters afterwards, and you'll get a page that is not found. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you set up your own custom 404 page on your website. As always, there are great links in the description for web designers or really any creative alike. And if you liked this video, I would really appreciate it if you liked it and then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it under this video. Thanks for watching. My name's Nathan Mins. Keep building.